Hi again. I hope you enjoyed the story, Quick as a Cricket. So now it's going to be your job to write 3 similes about yourself. So right now I want you thinking, how do you want to describe yourself? Do you want to talk maybe about how you are smart, brave, silly? Maybe you want to talk about what you look like, pretty, handsome, tall, short. You could talk about the color of your hair, the color of your eyes or your lips or your skin. There are so many different things you can use to describe yourself using similes. So when I think about the way I look, I could say my hair is as long as a giraffe's neck. My lips are red like a rose. Okay, my eyes are as brown as chocolate. Or I could talk about other characteristics that describe me. Like one I was thinking of, because it makes me think of Miss Harris also, is I could say, I'm as cool as a penguin. I like that together because penguins always live in cold places. So I think of them being cool, like in cold, but it could also mean like cool. Or maybe I want to talk about how I am smart. And another word for smart is the word bright. And when I think of things that are bright, I think of the stars or the sun. So I could say, I'm as bright as a star. The other things that I could think would be maybe like I want to talk about being silly. And when I think of something that's silly, I think of monkeys. So I could say, I am silly like a monkey. So your job is to think of 3 similes and to write them down. I don't want to see just recordings. I want to see your writing for today. So look, I'll even get started on my writing also. I've got my name, Mrs. Rondo, and today's date is May 14th, 2020. So I wrote 5-14-20. It's kind of silly, but I really miss doing the date with you guys in class. You guys would always make it so fun, and I miss it. Okay, so the first one I said, I was thinking of Miss Harris, and I'm gonna say, I am as cool as a penguin. Remember, do I expect perfect spelling? Do we know how to write penguin in kindergarten? No, sound it out, stretch it out, okay? I want it to be your work, not your mommy or daddy or big brother or sister. Sounding it out, that's how you get ready for first grade. Okay, so I need to start with I, and we know that's gonna be a capital letter. I, spaceman, am. It's a sight word. How do I spell am? A-M, good. I am as, that's another sight word, and remember, if we do a simile, we have to use the word as or like. So we've had a lot of practice with that this week. I am as cool. What 2 letters make the sound k, k, k? C and K. You could write either one. I won't be mad if you write the wrong one. But this one is going to be a letter C. Ooh. Oh, do you remember what 2 letters make it say ooh? O-O. Ooh, like Leslie. I am as cool as. I am as cool as a penguin. Oh, that is a big word. Let's stretch it out. Ready? Egwin. Yeah, that's a big one. We're just gonna try our best though. Ready? egg, egg, w, pig, What letter in English says I? Like Isidro. Penguin. Look at that, we did it. I am as cool as a penguin. What do I need at the end of my sentence? A period. Good. And when we are writing poetry, it's okay when we make a new simile to start on a new line. That shows your reader it's a new idea or a new thought. So although I have room, I'm gonna start on the next line since I'm writing a new simile. So this time I'm gonna write how I am as bright as a star, okay? Look, a lot of the words we already have. I am as. That doesn't change. Once you have that, you know how to write it. So I'm gonna go a little faster this time, ready? I am as bright. Okay, now I need to sound that one out. Ready? Bright. Ooh, and because it's like on here, I've got a magic key at the end. I am as bright as a, look, I keep doing my spaceman. Just because I'm not stopping to read every time doesn't mean it goes together. Every time we write a new word, we do a spaceman. I am as bright as a star. R. What do I need at the end? Period. Okay, now I need to write one more. Your job today is to write 3. So I need to write one more. I think I'm gonna go with silly like a monkey because I think a lot of you might even be able to borrow that one. So I'm going to write, I am silly like a monkey. And look, although I have room to keep going here, since I'm doing it poetry style, I'm gonna start a new line. I am silly. Let's sound it out, ready? Like Isidro again. Silly. I am silly like, how do I spell like? L-I-K-E, good, like. I am silly like a monkey. Let's sound it out. Monkey. Here we go. That one's it. Monkey. I am silly like a monkey. Period. Okay? After you write your 3 for today, your job is to read all of them to at least 1 or 2 people in your family. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.